Good day, everyone. Well, there are many users are sharing in forums and Microsoft platforms where Windows 11 update causing problems with sharing and network share. So we can fix it, we can try it, especially if it's happening after Windows update. Then what I would recommend to whatever the antivirus, if you're using the Windows Defender, Windows Security, you can simply open like this. Just do a double click on that and go to the firewall and network protection and select restore firewalls to default. And it may ask you to say yes and just click on restore defaults and see if that works for you. Alright, if that doesn't, try to turn it off for the time being and then see if that works. Also check with your antivirus if you are using any third-party antivirus. Else, what you can do is you can simply uninstall that Windows update. And to do that, you just need to do a right click. It is for Windows 11. And then go to settings and then go to Windows updates. And here we will go to update history and uninstall updates. Just below that, you have uninstall updates. See what exactly is creating a problem. Uninstall it, wait for the next update, and then try to update your Windows. This most probably fix your problem. Do let me know in the comment section if you have found any better solution, or if it's helpful, please do let me know in the comment section as well. I'll be glad if you do so. Have a wonderful day. Take care.